You need a squatty potty. Okay? I actually took it out of my bathroom to demonstrate to you that you need a squatty potty. Okay, here's why. Your butthole, it's a great way to start a video. Your butthole is not designed to sit like this. Okay, and I'm going to try to add some cute graphics about why that is, but I'm going to do some hand demonstrations first. So you have a sphincter muscle, right, on your butt, and when you sit like this, it actually goes and it closes up, okay? When you sit with your feet up, when you squat, it actually allows the poopy to come out more naturally because it opens up the sphincter. Okay? So, if you ever have gone to a third world country, which I have not, but I have watched a ton of National Geographic because I'm obsessed with the idea of travel. I haven't done a ton of traveling in my life. I have visited, I think I counted 26 states, which I'm pretty proud of. America's beautiful. Peace and love to America. If you want to travel and you don't want to go to another country, there's plenty to see here, and there's lots of diverse types of climates, and it's really cool to travel America. But, tangent. But if you look at other countries like India, Pakistan, like third world places, they don't even have toilets. Like a lot of them don't even have toilets. They literally have an open, like a, you know how you go to the beach at Venice, you go to the Venice beach, you go to the beach anywhere, and you go to that, there's like a big building where there's little stalls, right? They don't have stalls, they just have holes. Like instead of there being stalls with a toilet, there's just 6 or 8 holes in the ground. And people just pull up their, pull their pants down and they squat all the way down like a full-blown squat, like an exercise squat, take a dump, and don't even wipe and just go about their day. So if you wonder why when you go to India you get sick, that's probably going to explain a lot because, yeah, that's a whole lot of feces without any kind of like wiping. It's kind of gross, but anyways, I thought this would be kind of a funny video to do. No, but you really need to squat down when you're pooping, okay? Because it doesn't allow your body to fully release. So I have had severe digestive issues practically my whole life, based on the SAD diet and based on my vaccine injuries, which we all have some level of vaccine injury. It's just a fact. If you had the standard dosage of vaccines your whole life, it fucked up your hormones. It's fucked up your body. It's fucked up your endocrine system. It's just a fact. The stuff is poison. It's aluminum. It's just bad for you. I'm sorry. There's a great book. I'm going to talk about it more. We'll talk about it in another video, but they bullshitted us into believing that we needed all these vaccines so they can make money. Anyways, they messed us up. So I had horrific constipation. There was one point where I didn't poop for 30 days, okay? 30 days. Fortunately, those days are long behind me, but a big, huge help, and I was addicted to laxatives like Miralax, X-Lax, glycerin suppositories. Yeah, it was horrible. Like I never pooped, and if I did, it was like never a complete poop. It was always, I always felt bloated. And guess what? I didn't have good skin. I didn't feel great, and it just was a nightmare. And of course, no one told me that, your diet plays a huge part in how your digestive tract works. But anyways, a big thing that helped me when I was on the start of this journey, really a big game changer was the Squatty Potty. I mean, it was a huge game changer. And they're like 15 to 25 bucks. It's not exactly breaking the bank. I don't like to give major recommendations to people on my videos or DMs, so please respect that. I'm not going to, if you DM me and say, I have this, what do I take? I'm not going to be able to do that unless we do a consultation. Please respect that, because I don't know your whole thing going on. But the Squatty Potty, we could all use the Squatty Potty. I mean, all of us, every single person in the, in America, especially if you're sitting on a standard toilet. It opens up the sphincter, it allows for a complete bowel movement, and it opens up your hips. It's really actually quite good to lift your hips up like that. So if you're gonna make a purchase for your health this year, make it a Squatty Potty. It's a great little investment. $15 to $25, come on, can't beat it. And you'll have better poops. Even if you're not having constipation problems, it's just better to have that position while you're pooping, okay? While you're having your bowel movements every day. And you should be having 2 to 3 bowel movements a day. And if you're not pooping twice before 12, then y'all got problems. Just FYI, digestion is everything. Making sure you're eliminating your waste is everything when it comes to health and healing. You can't be sitting there backed up and constipated. If you are struggling with digestive problems, you're sick, DM me, okay? We can get your eyes read, get you your herbal protocol. You know, I can explain to you what's going on in the body and also give you a little information on my new 12-week group coaching program. There's going to be 6 total people working together to heal. You'll get access to my Kartra online course. It's like a college course that I developed after 10 years of healing myself naturally. It's all of my knowledge up in there. It's all of it. And I'm so passionate about spreading this knowledge. I want you to be able to have that forever. You can go back and you can get your body clean. You can stay healthy. But it's a full body detox, and there's community with it because you got your other peeps in there doing their healing thing too. So anyways, grab yourself a Squatty Potty. DM me if you're looking to do an eye read and get in my group coaching program, because your health is your wealth and we all deserve to be rich. There is nothing else without your physical health. You cannot achieve anything else until this beautiful temple is functioning properly. So, love you guys. Talk soon.